So on the intermediate term, XME was obviously just an absolute monster and has been ever since that low that formed earlier in the year. Uh, there is a low that is now due over the next few weeks. So we are looking at this as a likely high up here, and we are now starting to sell off. We have a zone, as you can see, we are actually in that zone. So we're going to be looking for a little bit lower. And let me show you why. In the short term, there's some weakening happening here, right? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows the entire way up. Now, this one has sold off closer back to that low, and now we have lost this low here. So we are going now to be really highlighting for little moves up and then oscillations back to the downside into that trough that is due somewhere around the end of this month. Okay, so we're going to be looking for that sort of to oscillate, not anything sharp likely, just oscillate down and then create a really interesting opportunity back to the long side here in the XME. So very nice overall pattern, and that's a look there, Slim. Back over to you, sir.
That's incredibly interesting because when you look at the analysis I just did on the silver market,
Yeah,
we did this work completely independent of each
it
other.
was the same. It's the
Same
same.
thing. I mean,
Right.
looking
That's
at
how it should
silver,
be,
looking
right?
at
Yeah.
metals and mining as it should be,
Mm-hmm.
and we didn't consult each other at all. So
No,
it
correct.
just
Yeah.
shows you the consistency once you learn the style of analysis in how analysts will come up with very similar projections and understanding of the market. So